Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Get ready to elevate your printing game with the MZK 14-foot F1080 A3 DTF Printer, a powerhouse that's about to change the way you think about printing. From high-speed, high-definition printing to intelligent maintenance and huge cost savings on supplies, this device is packed with features that will make your jaw drop. Let's dive right into one of the most exciting aspects of this printer, the incredible value it offers with its free ink and powder supply program. For 2 whole years, starting from 2025, you'll get 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 g of powder every 2 months, just by covering the shipping cost if you're in the US. That's a whopping saving of over $1,000 on supplies, which is a huge deal for anyone who prints regularly. Whether you're a professional or just a hobbyist, this kind of savings can really make a difference in your budget, allowing you to focus on your work or passion without worrying about the cost of supplies. Now, let's talk about the printing capabilities of the MZK 14 F1080 A3 DTF Printer. Equipped with F1080 Printheads, an upgraded version of the XP600, this printer can churn out an A3 size document in just 5 minutes. That's up to 10 high-quality documents per hour, thanks to the addition of ICC calibration curves and variable size droplet technology that gives you precise control over droplet volume. This means you get double the efficiency compared to L1800 or our 1390 models, making it perfect for high-volume printing needs. Whether you're running a business, managing a team, or just need to print a lot for personal projects, the speed and quality of this printer will definitely impress. Another key feature that sets this printer apart is its large printing area and high resolution. With a 14-inch printing width, you can create larger designs or have more flexible printing options, which is great for a variety of applications. Plus, it delivers a premium 1880 x 1440 dpi resolution, producing vibrant colors and crisp details while printing at speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second. This level of quality and versatility makes it ideal for anyone looking to produce professional-grade prints without the need for an industrial-sized printer. But what really caught my attention is the printer's intelligent maintenance system. The one-click Printhead moisturizing function and 24/7 auto-maintenance mode are game-changers. Beyond the traditional white ink circulation and filtration systems that prevent nozzle clogging, this printer takes care of itself with ease. The moisturizing function keeps your printhead ready to go, even when you're not using it, and the timed cleaning ensures that your printer stays in top condition without any effort from you. This means you can enjoy stress-free, automated maintenance that extends the life of your printhead and saves you time and hassle in the long run. In conclusion, the MZK 14-foot F1080 A3 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse that's packed with features designed to make your printing experience faster, easier, and more cost-effective. With its incredible value proposition, high-speed and high-definition printing, large printing area, and intelligent maintenance, this printer is a must-have for anyone serious about printing. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this device is sure to exceed your expectations and take your printing to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start experiencing the future of printing today. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's time to unlock your full printing potential.